Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another system test. Before I get into it, I'm going to show you some of the alarms on the system. Some of them got moved and replaced. And yeah, the one up here got replaced. It is now a ceiling mount. The alarm for up there is a Gentex GXS first generation remote strobe. The other alarm on the system, the one over there got replaced. It is now a Gentex SHG 4th generation. And there's a smoke detector right there, which is the 2400. And the alarm in here also got replaced. It is a Gentex SHG 2nd generation. This is a newer one I got in the mail today. Alright, let's get on with the system test. The pull station we are pulling today is this one right here. I'll key activate this one. This one also got replaced. I removed the Monaco Enterprises pull station and I put a Simplex 299. I forgot the rest of the model, but yeah, it's a T-bar. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.